Oh yes, it's a 1984 Chevy C28 Camaro. What's up guys, this is Nick here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee. And today we're taking a test drive in this beautiful Camaro with T-tops, nice interior, nice paint, 5.0, the original one, power steering, power brakes, and AC. I mean, everything's super clean. Under detailed pictures, financing and shipping available at maplemotors.com. This one's got aftermarket Willwood disc brakes, and this is four-wheel disc brake conversion, dual exhaust out the back. And of course, if you hit subscribe, you can see all of our test drives and all of our videos. It's about that time. Let's go for a ride. Just like we always do, we check out the interiors. We place bets on the horn. Do you think it works? Start this one up. Starts up well. Do we have some heat yet? Kind of wondering because it's freezing. It's still a little cold. But even the clock works here. Interior is beautiful. Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to hit y'all on the light here. It works though. Okay. Tilt column. Wipers. There they go. Turn signals. Nice and bright. Both sides. Heater is on right now. Radio. Yeah, it's cutting on. Windows. Might as well check them out. Little slow, little slow. What about this one? It's also a little slow. But it is working. Power locks. Let's check them out. Here we go. It's not really working as well as I want. The passenger side is. This side's just getting in a little bind. See? Does unlock well. All right, horn, did you place your bets? Tach's working, oil pressure's good. Engine temperature is broken. That is maxed out there. Gas gauge is at a quarter tank, and battery gauge is also broken. That is on the low side. Horn? Weird sounding. But it's working. Let's hit the road and see what else we can find. Hey, what's up? I'm cold, I know. I look like a puffy snowman. All right. Got my seatbelt on, got my gear in the back. It is time to hit the road. Now, we had this car a few months back. It got a trade-in. You know, we do take trade-ins all the time, especially from locals and stuff, but even out-of-staters. So people will buy a car, they'll drive it for a little while, they see something else that comes in. That's not a problem. That's normal for Maple Motors. What's up, Pat? I don't want to run you over, man. So I drove this months ago, but this is now my first time on this round. Got flat spots in the tire. I can feel them bouncing a little bit. It is very cold out here. A lot of times if the car sits any period of time, it'll get flat spots on the tire and they smooth out over time. Little bit of a fade to the left. It's not bad enough for me to actually say that's bad. That's good. Speedometer is working. Now when I floor it, it shifted down, but I gotta let out a little bit and it picks up speed. It's like it was kind of getting flooded out a little bit from where I had her to the floor. Yeah, there's 75%. But yeah, it's definitely got a little bit of a stutter somewhere. I can hear it, I can feel it, it's there. Steering is tight. Suspension is smooth. Like I said, we got two dead gauges here. One's our battery gauge and one is our temperature gauge. Gas gauge is reading quarter tank right now. I don't think we need any more, but it might actually help if I pull in here, add a little bit of 93 and see if that clears up that little bit of a sputter that it had when I put her to the floor. You never know. It could just be moisture in the gas. Now I do believe, I could be wrong, but I do believe it's on this side. I don't know if the gas cap's on this side or not. I'm about to find out. Maybe I should just hang out the window and look. I'll be back. We're gonna get some fuel. Okay, $20 premium fuel. Got that 93 octane in this one. Gas gauge is coming up, so it is working. We're ready to rock and roll. Time to rock and roll. We've got some hot heat in here. Ready to head back. I told you she's running a lot stronger now. I think it just had a little bit of moisture in the gas. Let's check it. Still got a little bit of that hesitation towards the top end, but this one's checking out just fine. I did find them cool headlights. What do you think about those? I cut those on, I said, wait a second, looks like a robot. Brakes super smooth. Back in the throttle. Yeah. It's all checking out. Go ahead and get on our side road here and we'll hit the nice little whoop in the middle of the road. If you got nice suspension, you won't notice it, but if you have bad suspension, you 100% notice it. And I'll point it out. It's right here. Checked out. I'd have to give that like a 7 or 8 out of 10 on suspension. Not too bad. We're getting ready to pull back into Maple Motors. If you haven't already, hit subscribe, hit that like button. Picking out the flaws is very important. Chips, scratches, rust, dents. I go over the whole car and then listen to the engine, pop the trunks, check every corner I can so you know what's going on. If you do have any other questions after that, give us a call. We'll send you more videos. All right, good deal. Be sure to hit subscribe, hit that like button. I'll see you in a moment. Okay, we're gonna do a in-depth, detailed walk around on this ride. Chips, scratches, rust, dents. If it's there, I point it out, I show you so you know what you're getting. 100 detailed pictures available, maplemotors.com. Any other questions? Hey, that's not a problem. That's why I'm here. Coming around the front. Do got a lot of imperfections on that front bumper. You got some cracks in the paint. Down here at the bottom too. Got some paint. It's kind of cracked up there where the lights go. Down the side. Tires in great shape. Too bad at the bottom there, up and over the back fender. Little scuffs, touch-up marks. Some of the graphics coming off there. A little bit of frozen water on this one too. That's why I didn't wipe it off. Kind of don't want to wipe ice around on a paint job. It doesn't sound very fun. Coming back here midsection. Little blotchy spots in the paint there. Did you see that? Front windshield looks pretty good. T-tops are in great shape on this one. Seal around the back. It looks good. Your jam's pretty clean. And you can see how absolutely nice this is. It's trying to spit snow on us, guys. That's strong. I knew when I push the button in there, it works, and this thing just lifted on up. Like I said, I usually clean all this water off, but this is mixed with ice. I don't want to mess the paint up, so we're just in a little frozen world here at Maple Motors today. Coming down this side. Light scratch down the lower portion. Kind of blotchy on the paint there. Midsection. Dent here in the door. Spot on the side. T-top looks pretty good. Chips. Chip here on the side. Pillar, windshield. Windshield looks good. No chips on it. Scratches here. Okay. Interior time. You see we don't spend any time goofing off here. Like a little scratch on this back piece too as we shut it down. I'm going to look over this real quick before we go to the inside. All right. Door panel, just as it should be. Nice. That looks good. Bottom of your door. Seat's just very clean. Little dirt spot there. Hey, I show it all, don't I? Try to. Starts up well. Now we know the battery. I was gonna say the battery got just messed up, but it decided to start working. I don't know how long. but it decided to start working there. Little dirt in the carpet. I found this piece. I need to put it back on. Goes right up in there. Crack in the dash. Guys, again, if you have any questions on this vehicle, don't be scared to ask. A little bit stitched up there in the corner. And they deleted the visors. That's why we do these in-depth videos. This is the only channel that you'll get that from Maple Motors. We always do our quick walk on Monday, showing all the inventory. And then we do the individual test drive videos just like this throughout the week. Again, 5.0, the original engine. Power steering, power brakes, looks like a brand new AC compressor there. And the engine's running smooth. Been down with this hood. That shuts very well. Fingerprints are frozen on there now. Your graphics got some little light cracks in them. Stain in the paint. Hey, guys, if you've enjoyed this, please hit subscribe, hit that like button, share. And of course, I'm going to do another one today. Thinking about redoing the Corvette in the showroom. But it is pretty cold, so let's see what we can get done. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, hit that like button, share, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Later, guys.